Thank you for joining us for Virtual Storytime with Santa. We hope you're enjoying the holidays and all the fun festivities at Paseo Nuevo. So let's gather a cozy blanket, some cookies and milk for Santa, sit back and enjoy Virtual Storytime with Santa. Today's story is Little Blue Truck's Christmas. Beep, beep, beep. December's here. Little Blue Truck is full of cheer. Every Christmas, Little Blue has a delivery job to do. 5 trees ready to take a ride. How many trees will fit inside? 1 tree, 2 trees, 3 trees, 4. Just enough room for 1 tree more. 5 green trees make 1 big load. Beep, says Blue, let's hit the road. Blue has friends both far and near. Who needs a Christmas tree this year? Honk, says the goose, this big one please. Now there are 4 green Christmas trees. Moo, says the cow, this tall one please. Now there are 3 green Christmas trees. Oink, says the pig, this fat one please. Now there are 2 green Christmas trees. Maha, says the goat, this short one please. Now there is 1 green Christmas tree. 1 tree left in a little blue truck. 1 tree left, what very good luck. Little Blue Truck needs a Christmas tree. Beep, 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 this one's for me. Did you enjoy that story as much as Santa? Let Santa know in the comments below. And tune in next Thursday at 11 a.m. for the next virtual story time with Santa. Ho, 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 ho.